Hi Daisies! My name is Claudia and I am Daisy's best friend. And today I will be doing her voiceover for her makeup video. Okay, so we already started. It looks like she did her eyebrows off camera. So if you wanna find out how she did it, check out her page, check out her video. She has a very detailed video on how you can get the most perfect, most uniform eyebrows. So it looks like she placed a base color and now she's using yellow to put on her eyelids. I don't know what the yellow is for, but I guess it looks like it's a transition color of some sort. I don't even know if I'm saying this right, but we're just gonna go with the flow. And now we are, looks like we're cutting our crease, and I'm assuming she's using a concealer or maybe some kind of, I don't know. I just know sometimes you use a concealer, but she's cutting her crease, and now we're using some brownish color. We're gonna dabbity dab. We're just gonna be dabbing. Dab the eyeshadow on there. You start from the corner of your eyes, take your time and just dab all over the crease. And then looks like we're taking like a light brown color. We're adding it on there. We're taking another black. We're using a lot of different colors, guys. Like, let me tell you, my best friend is talented. So now we're going to prime our face. It's very important that you prime your face before you put your makeup on. Like Daisy said in her other videos, you don't want to just put your foundation on. We're just gonna be, I don't know what you do with the brush, but we're gonna be dabbing the foundation in our face. We're gonna be dabbing the foundation in our face with the makeup brush. We're putting concealer under our eyes. It looks like we're using two different concealers. This is something new. I've never seen this before, so this is something I definitely have to try. Wow. Okay, I'm taking notes here. Okay, so now it looks like we're highlighting. We're highlighting underneath our cheekbones, our chin, our nose. And now looks like she set her powder. She's gonna put her baking powder or her setting powder underneath her eyes where she highlighted. And I'm guessing she's just gonna have that sit for a while before she brushes it off. Yeah, but we're gonna put some on our nose. And now it looks like we're contouring our nose now. I'm sure Daisy's gonna have all the products that she used in her description box below, because I don't know what she's using, but she usually puts everything there. Oh my god, this looks so good. She is so talented. I already have my makeup artist for my wedding day, so if you don't have one, this one's right here. But okay, so now it looks like, okay, we're just done baking. We're just gonna brush everything off. We're gonna brush. Yeah, I guess, just brush it off until you don't have a lot of junk, like, a lot of powder sitting on your face. And yeah, that's it. But Daisy's so freaking talented. She is so amazing. Like, I can't even believe. I remember Daisy did not want anything to do with makeup. I remember one time I came to visit and I was like putting eyeshadow on. I was putting eyeliner on, and Daisy was looking at me like, what are you doing? Now look at her. She puts on more makeup than I do. Oh, how the tables have turned. I can never forget that day. But anyway, let me shut up and get back to the video. So it looked like we are highlighting our cheekbones. As you can see, you're gonna use a fan looking brush to highlight those cheekbones. You don't want to use too much. And Daisy looks like she has really nice cheekbones, so she doesn't even need too much. But just use a brush, highlight your forehead, your cheeks. I think she's probably gonna do her nose. She's doing her chin, and a little bit on her nose, but bam. Yeah, and then she's doing her waterline, I'm guessing, or maybe like underneath her her eyes. She likes to do that a lot. I guess it brings out her eyes. It makes them look more big. It makes it look. I made her laugh, but it makes it pop. And now we're gonna move down to our lips. So we're gonna use a lip liner to outline the lips. Also, she has a video, a very good video on this, especially if you have small lips and you wanna put, like, you know, lipstick on or lip gloss on to make your lips look fuller. She has a very detailed video on how to get your lips looking luscious. Okay. All right, so now it looks like after she used her lip liner, she put in lip gloss to I guess blend in a little bit with the lip liner, so kind of looks like a transition. Now she's putting shiny lip gloss on there to make everything pop. And woo, look at that. Don't rush, no touch. Na. Look at sis. Sis is popping. Look at my best friend. She will steal your man if Yes, Daisy, give me a 360. Woohoo! Yes, girl. Yes, flip that hair. Flip it. Flippity flip. Oh my god. This is amazing. This is the makeup look, you guys. Very simple, but looks very, very pretty. And Daisy, we're still waiting on the video for this hair because you haven't dropped it. So I don't know what you're gonna do for us, but I'm first in line. I'm waiting. But guys, yeah, this is my voiceover for the video. It looks like we're done, I'm guessing, but I'm so glad to be a part of this channel, and I'm so glad to have done this for my very best friend. I've known Daisy for as long as I can remember. I can't even think of when we met, but thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace. What is love? Baby, don't hurt.